ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ,
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್.
Welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you campus news from in and around Mangaluru. I'm your host Samira. Let's take a look at the headlines.
St. Aloysius Ladies Hostel celebrates Hostel Day 2015. Department of Physics of St. Aloysius College conducts one-day national seminar. St. Agnes College conducts Sports Day 2015. St. Aloysius conducts a state-level inter-school cultural fest for the visually impaired. Sociology Department of St. Aloysius College conducts awareness program on corruption.
Fighting corruption is a global concern. A citizen plays an important role in keeping corruption under check. To create awareness about the role of citizen to eradicate corruption, a talk was held in St. Aloysius College. Let's take a look.
Educating the public about corruption is the need of the hour. The Sociology Department of St. Aloysius College organized a talk on the topic Role of Citizen in Creating Corruption-Free Society on Friday. The talk was given by Mr. Vital Das Yampai, the DYSP in Lokaitha. Addressing the crowd, he said our thirst and selfishness is the root cause of corruption.
I have seen this slide, you observe this slide now, where corruption is caused. Never end for that. I think you have observed, you have seen. Yesterday, I wanted to start from same bracket. Actually, what is going on? I wanted to give you an example. But you have shown me the example. Regarding childhood also. But here, okay, if I mix Hindi, Kannada, don't mistake. Why not? I am not fluency over English language because till my PC, I was a Kannada medium.
Father Alphonse Fernandez, the HOD of Sociology Department, shared his views with Campus Eye.
On the theme, role of citizens in creating corruption-free society. The very purpose of calling him is the society can be changed by young people. Though it is a responsibility of each and every citizen of this nation, but the young people can play a very important and significant role. In that pretext,
Prema D'Souza, the lecturer in Sociology Department, welcomed the gathering and explained why the program was important to each one of us.
Confusion. When people fight with win and lose attitude, following the culture of death, where might becomes right in this consumeristic.
A video was shown prior to the talk which saw that corruption starts at home, which gave an insight how we have to change our mindset. Jason, a student, shared his thought how we could bring change in our society.
The video based on this corruption thing about a child learning to be corrupt from its home itself. So technically what I try to say is that corruption doesn't start with politicians or with your money, it starts from home.
To maintain the healthy mind and healthy body, sports is required for every human being. With this aim, St. Agnes College conducted annual sports meet. With lot of hard work and team spirit, St. Agnes College, Mangaluru conducted annual sports meet. CCP inspector and also an international bodybuilder, Mr. Valentine D'Souza was the chief guest of the function.
The sports meet started with Sports Secretary Kalpida, 3rd BCom student, receiving the flag from the principal.
On this occasion, Principal of St. Agnes
M. Supriya AC shared her views with Campus Eye.
All our students are encouraged to participate in the march past, irrespective of their number or any other factors. What I see is a lot of preparation has been done and they have really marched well with all enthusiasm and zest, with the spirit of sportsmanship and team spirit. Winning is not everything, but efforts to win is. This is what we need. And our students are really enthusiastic and they have put in a lot of efforts to make it a memorable day.
Students enthusiastically participated in several competitions like throwball, football, softball and discus throw, etc.
Visually impaired students are blessed with enormous talents. The state-level inter-school cultural fest organized by Sahodaya provided a platform to these students. Let's take a look.
ಕಲರವ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಅಂತರ್ ಶಾಲಾ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನಾಂಕ 13 ಆದಿತ್ಯವಾರ ಸಹೋದಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ರಮ್ಯಾ ಐತಾಳ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪಿಯು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಲ್ಮಠ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ವಿವಿಧ ಶಾಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುಂಪು ಹಾಡುಗಾರಿಕೆ, ಕತೆ ವಾಚನ, ಮನೋನಟನೆ, ಏಕವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹಾಡು, ರಸಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಅನುಕರಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗುಂಪು ನೃತ್ಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಕೆ. ಮೀರಾ ರಂಗರಾವ್ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಚೇತನರಿಗೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಶಾ ಕಿರಣ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರನ್ನರ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿ ದೀಪಾ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಅವರು ಗೆದ್ದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭವಿತಾ ಬಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡರು.
ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆರವೇರಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Hostel is home away from home. Here different students of various culture live together and prove the thought of unity in diversity. St. Aloysius College Ladies Hostel celebrated their hostel day.
The Ladies Hostel Day celebration was celebrated on 12 December 2015 at St. Aloysius Higher Primary School premises. In this occasion, Father Marcel Rodriguez, SJ, Director of Ladies Hostel, spoke to Campus Eye.
We have got 3 hostels in the main campus of St. Aloysius College. The boys' hostel, we call it as Gents Hostel, and the UG and PUC Ladies Hostel, and finally the PG Ladies Hostel. Among these hostels, we are combined the ladies hostels, the UG PUC hostel and the PG Ladies Hostel for hostel day. And this helped our students to realize that their life is much more than academics. They learn to share and care for each other, given their multicultural and multi-religious context in their hostels. These hostels literally helped our students to go beyond their languages and religions and cultures and learn from each other.
The program began by invoking God's blessing. Reverend Sister Wilberta B.S. was the chief guest of the program.
Joy to participate in your annual function. Calling her blessed is the theme of your celebration. The young ladies, it's just wonderful to know that today Everyone is calling you blessed.
Reverend Father Sweebert De Silva, SJ, Principal of St. Aloysius College, Reverend Father Denzel Lobo, SJ, Rector, St. Aloysius Institutions, Directors of hostel, hostel leaders, and hostel wardens also were the chief guests of the program. Students exhibited their talents through various programs. PG Ladies Hostel leader Ms. Sancha Mesquita shared her experience with Campus I.
The St. Aloysius Ladies Hostel Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm. The theme of the hostel day was Calling Her Blessed, and there was a wonderful array of different programs from dance to skit, from classical to hip hop. Together as a family, we got together.
On the occasion of International Year of Light, St. Aloysius College inaugurated a national seminar with the theme Saga of Light. Campus I brings you more details.
Department of Physics of St. Aloysius College organized one-day national seminar with the theme being Saga of Light on Tuesday in the Eric Matthias Hall. The chief guest of the program, Professor P.C. Deshmukh of Department of Physics from the Indian Institute of Technology, inaugurated the function by lighting the lamp, accompanied by the guest of honor, Dr. V. Radhakrishna, ISRO Satellite Center, Bengaluru. The program was presided over by Father Sweebert De Silva, SJ, the principal of St. Aloysius College. The seminar was conducted in 3 sessions on different topics like Frontiers of Quantum Relativistic Effect in Atomic Physics, Cosmic Light, and the fascinating world of ultra-short light pulses.
The number 4 over here is also replaced by the square of 3, by the square of 4, by the square of 5. You will then have the other spectral series in the hydrogen atom.
Essay competition and competition on experiment were also conducted during this event. Sister Susie shared her views with the Campus I.
Actually, it was on 14th of December, but we were lucky enough to celebrate it on 15th of December itself. And this event helped me to understand more of light, and it helped us students, and through these seminars the lecturers and the speakers have motivated us how to.
That's all for this week. We'll see you next week, same time, same day. I'm your host Samira signing off.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.